You know, this market is really interesting. The lack of inventory is creating an incredible buyer demand. Sellers are having their heyday finally after really being beat up for a long time with home values. But what that means is that by the time you're seeing a property, you're looking at it with a long line of other people. They're all waiting to lick the handle, for a better way to say it. Some people will come up to prices that are astronomical. That might be you, it might not. What we would like to do is give you front of the line access to beat other people to those listings, regular listings, luxury listings. There's inventory out there that you haven't seen yet. Give us a call to the number on the screen and come in and talk to us and tell us what your wish list consists of. I'm willing to bet we can make a perfect match. So give us a call to find out how you can beat other people out to those beautiful luxury listings that are nowhere to be found. I'm Nancy Kowalik, your home sold guaranteed realty. Make it a great day.